Hi everyone, welcome to Fun Fridays. Now, wondering what is a God mode in your Windows computer? Then worry not, I have you covered. Now, have you ever struggled to change the settings in your Windows? Every time you have to change some settings like internet, device or printer, etc. Then we have to navigate to control panel and then we want to find the controller and it can be challenging at times. So even if we are in the control panel, we don't know where to go, right? We don't know where to search. So to avoid all this, God mode enables all your settings of your control panel in a single place in the form of a list. Now let's see how it works. So as you can see, I'm in my desktop. I have created a test folder. It is a inside this folder, I'll create one new folder. You can do it on your desktop also, so no issues. So this new folder, now you have to name this folder in this way: God mode dot in parentheses you have to give this particular code. I will paste this code in the description of this window so that it is easier for you. Okay, once you press enter, see what happens. The icon changed, right? And it says see a list of all program tasks, right? So now you have your own list of programs inside the God mode, right? Now once I click on it, see all the options are at one place, right? All the control panel options that you have under different controllers are at a single place. Now suppose you have to do sound settings, right? So just do a control F to find and just do sound, right? And you see all the options which deal with sound are listed here, right? Isn't it? Now if I want to do some Bluetooth related settings, okay, now I want to do some Bluetooth related settings. I'll just search for Bluetooth and it will come here. See, there are two options to do the Bluetooth with devices and printers, and you can do a network. Now once again, if you're doing some printer, you want to set up a printer, you want to check your status, just search for it and voila, it's there. So this is called God mode in Windows. I hope this has been helpful. Bye bye, see you next Friday.